You're watching How to create text Twitter account on iPhone. Download the X app from the App Store or open your browser to x.com. Tap Create Account. You will be asked to enter your name and either a phone number or email address. It's best to use a valid email for easier recovery. Enter your details and tap Next. Choose your date of birth. X requires users to be at least 13 years old. Tap Next. You will receive a verification code via email or SMS. Enter the code in the app. Create a strong password. Tap Next. You can now choose a unique username handle. This will be your @name. If your desired name is taken, X will suggest alternatives. Tap Next. You can skip the steps to follow interests or people for. Now, your account is now created. You will be taken to the main X feed. To personalize, tap your profile icon and go to Profile. Tap Edit Profile to add a bio, profile picture, and header image. It's recommended to confirm your email in Settings for security. Go to Settings Account Email to verify. You can also download your Twitter archive later if needed. Your new X account is ready to post, follow, and engage. Remember to review privacy settings in the app to control your experience. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.